Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make a paper book. So first you fold the paper like this and make sure it's equal. Then you fold it again like that, and also you have to make sure that it's equal, and then open it. And this should be like the down part over here. Supposed to be like that. Then you do this, like make triangles right here, and they have to be up to the middle line. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to look like. Now you do this. Then flip it over, lay out like that. Make two triangles on the top and two on the bottom. Then fold this up, and like this. It should look like this for now. Then you open it like that and do this. Flip it over and fold it like a triangle again. And then open it like this. And you should get this. Then pull these two triangles on the side open and you will have a paper boat. Even though it does look quite bad. Okay, bye guys.